Doggum family. Hey, Katie.
Yeah?
So, what happens if you don't put your seatbelts on? Who gets you?
The state chicken.
The state what?
The state chicken.
This. Okay, say it one more time for the old dad.
The state chicken.
The state tricket?
Yeah.
That's who's gonna get us?
Yeah, that's chicken.
The state tricket.
No.
State tricket.
Remember, state tricket.
What'd you say?
State tricket.
The state trick. I'm straight tripping. Is that what you're saying?
No.
I've got a straight chicken. It's called a straight chicken.
Okay. Alright.
Stop it.
You mean a state trooper, honey? Hey, Katie. You mean a state trooper? State trooper. Yes, it's called a state trooper. Straight trooper, yeah. A straight trooper. A straight. We're gonna get hit by state tricking. Straight tripping. Going straight tricking. I mean straight tripping, not trick. What is it called one more time?
It's a straight tripping.
A straight tripping.
Wait, Daddy, we went to this park before.
Okay, so if you don't put your seatbelts on, people, the straight tripping's gonna get you. Period. Straight tricking is gonna get you. Not a state trooper, not a Louisville police, not nobody, not none of them.
Okay, that is not fair.
A straight tricking is gonna get you.
No,
And I'm done talking.
Daddy, you made me mad.